Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how you can use ElevenLabs to create marketing content, from video ads and social media posts to email campaigns, product demos, and promotional voiceovers. If you're looking for a faster, more cost-effective way to produce high-quality marketing materials, this video is for you. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on using AI to level up your content. ElevenLabs is particularly powerful for marketing because it produces realistic, professional-sounding voices that can grab attention and engage your audience. Instead of recording your own voice or hiring expensive voice talent, you can simply input your script, choose a voice from the library, or even clone a custom voice that matches your brand's personality. The AI generates narration with natural pacing, tone, and emotion, making your promotional content sound polished and compelling. Another advantage is speed and flexibility. Marketing campaigns often require fast turnaround times, whether it's for launching a new product, creating social media content, or updating ad copy. ElevenLabs allows you to generate high-quality voiceovers in minutes. You can quickly make adjustments to your script, regenerate sections, or even experiment with different voices and tones without starting from scratch. This makes it ideal for teams, freelancers, or solo marketers who need to stay agile. Voice customization is another big benefit. You can adjust tone, pitch, and pacing to match your target audience or campaign style. Energetic and enthusiastic for social media ads, calm and professional for instructional videos, or friendly and approachable for customer engagement content. You can also assign different voices for different characters or segments in your marketing materials, making your content more dynamic and engaging. That said, there are some best practices to keep in mind. Make sure your script is clear, concise, and free of errors, because the AI reads exactly what you provide. Check pronunciation of brand names, industry terms, and any jargon to maintain professionalism. Also, consider reviewing the final audio for pacing and emotional delivery to ensure your message resonates with your audience. While AI-generated voices are powerful, combining them with visuals, music, or occasional human voiceovers can create an even stronger marketing impact. A simple workflow for marketing content could look like this. First, write a clear and polished script aligned with your campaign goals. Next, choose an appropriate AI voice or clone one that fits your brand personality. Generate the narration, review for quality and clarity, and make adjustments if needed. Finally, integrate the audio with your visuals, ads, or social media posts and publish. Using ElevenLabs in this way can save time, reduce costs, and produce professional-grade content that engages your audience effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow marketers or content creators, and subscribe for more AI content strategies and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.